Let's start by discussing one of the formed elements, the red blood cells. We'll explore how they are formed, as well as their anatomy and function. The production of all blood cells, including red blood cells, is called hematopoiesis. More specifically, the formation of red blood cells is known as erythropoiesis. This process takes place primarily in the red bone marrow, found in certain bones like the sternum, ribs, pelvis, and ends of long bones. Red blood cells begin as stem cells, specifically a type called a hemocytoblast that is capable of turning into any of the blood cells. If it is going to create a red blood cell, it undergoes a series of cell changes that ultimately produces a red blood cell that will be kicked out of the bone marrow in approximately 5 to 7 days. Once in the bloodstream, a red blood cell has an average lifespan of 120 days before it is removed and recycled, primarily by the spleen, liver, and bone marrow. To produce healthy red blood cells, the body requires several essential nutrients, including iron, which is necessary for hemoglobin production, allows RBCs to transport oxygen. Dietary sources include red meat, leafy greens, beans, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B12, which is essential for red blood cell formation and maturation. It is found in meat, dairy, eggs, and fortified foods. Folic acid or vitamin B9, which is vital for DNA synthesis and the production of normal red blood cells. It can be found in leafy greens, beans, eggs, and citrus fruits. Proteins, which provide amino acids, the building blocks of hemoglobin and cell membranes. Good sources include meat, fish, dairy, eggs, legumes, and nuts. Other important nutrients include vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption, copper, which plays a role in iron metabolism, and vitamin A, which supports RBC production and iron mobilization. Red blood cells play a vital role in oxygen transport, and their production depends on a carefully regulated process in the bone marrow. With the right nutrients, the body ensures a steady supply of these essential cells, maintaining oxygen delivery and overall health. Understanding their formation, function, and lifespan gives us deeper insight into the importance of maintaining a balanced diet and healthy blood.